In the harshest heat, survival begins with innovation. Water becomes the most valuable resource here. Every drop is carefully controlled. Storage prepares the journey ahead. The system channels life through steel veins. Inside, the battle against heat begins. Temperature drops instantly. Protection is essential in extreme contrast. Precision controls every degree. The transformation begins. Heat gives way to cold. Power drives the freeze. Science controls temperature.
The first crystals appear.
Precision ensures uniformity. Cold dominates the environment. Structure takes shape.
Accuracy defines quality.
Ice is ready for extraction.
Production flows continuously.
The first layer of ice begins to form.
The surface locks under extreme cold. Cold penetrates every layer. The environment turns completely frozen. Massive chambers maintain the freeze. Structure builds layer by layer.
Precision ensures uniform freezing.
The freezing stage is complete. Extraction begins with precision. Production flows without pause. Solid ice is released from its form. Each block moves to shaping. Heat reacts instantly with cold. Human control refines automation. Quality begins with observation. Efficiency drives the process. Shaping begins with precision. Cutting defines final form. Precision slicing begins.
Uniformity is achieved.
Blocks transform into cubes.
Precision creates perfection.
Different forms serve different needs.
Texture changes the product. Sorting organizes production. Size defines usage. Human eyes ensure quality. Clarity reflects purity. Production units again. Cleaning enhances final quality. Washing removes remaining impurities.
Clean water enhances clarity.
Movement refines the surface. Shine reveals purity.
Balance maintains structure.
Moisture is carefully removed. Air stabilizes the product. Drying prepares for handling. Stability is achieved. Order increases efficiency. Size determines final use. Larger cubes meet premium demand. Smaller cubes serve daily consumption. Technology ensures consistency. Only perfection moves forward. Human precision supports automation.
Clarity defines quality.
Production units again. Final stage begins.
With precise mechanical rhythm, the machines move in perfect synchronization. Automation has taken control.
Packaging material takes form. Structure prepares for filling. Precision defines quantity. Accuracy ensures consistency. Sealing preserves the product. Identity completes the product. Tracking ensures control.
Automation increases efficiency. Flow expands across the system.
Storage preserves the final product.